Happy Halloween. It's Halloween Day 2021, just about 2 p.m. Here's the final setup. You've all seen the Fog Bog. Windy day, but at least it's not snowing. What we have here is our CDS, our candy delivery system. I'll show you a little bit more about that. It was actually from last year with COVID being pretty big, but when the child gets to the post, there's a sign that says push, and just one of those cheap little eyes. And then Christina, the ghost, will come down the cable through a blast of fog right here. And I'll show you her here in just a second. Saltwater reel, a Penn GTI 340. Got this bin from Hobby Lobby, and just a ghost that was on clearance last year from Home Depot. She'll go down and go through the blast of smoke, which is right there. You can see all my distilled water for the Cumulus. Now, I set this up last year for the COVID, but this year you can see I have all the stuff here, and it's not really a great access point with the fog machines, the water, the coolers, the candy, to do from where a child can come up and knock on the door or ring the doorbell. So it actually works out pretty good. Up on the roof we have Stephanie. She has a 100-watt UV light pointed at her and the Vortex tunnel, which is super cool. It's got two 1600-watt machines in it, and I'm using a diluted solution of fog fluid, just cheap stuff that I was able to find yesterday at Home Depot, mixed with some Code 6, and it's a light mist that comes out, but I'll show you some pictures of the vortex that goes down. It actually shoots all the way across the street and shines right on our good neighbor's house with a big circle. To the right, we have Frank. He went to skydiving school and jumped out of the plane too early. He's got a 100-watt UV light on him as well, and he lights up pretty good at night. I'll show you some videos from tonight and some that I took last night, but it's been really good. Happy Halloween, everyone. Well, the wind finally calmed down. I'm gonna enter the tunnel.